What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And today I am going to be talking about a $500 computer. To be exact, it's going to be 480, but I'm going to say $500. So I use PC part picker, so some prices might be lower, some prices might be higher, but the top price will probably just be $500. If it's over $500, we're probably gonna be like 550, so it's not even that much. And keep in mind, this does not come with any monitor, so you gotta buy the monitor yourself because mostly if people are buying it for this much, probably either gonna connect it to your TV and just have a home system, or you either have a a small TV that's enough to be a monitor, I guess. So yeah, for the CPU, we're gonna start with the AMD Athlon S4 C40. It has 3.2 gigahertz. It's a quad core processor. It uses the FM2 socket. I'm sorry, I had to read from the website. It has 65 watts of power, and the good thing about it is that it comes with a CPU cooler, which a lot of other cards don't even have. I mean, CPUs have. And with that, since that is a FM2 socket, we'll have to get a FM2 motherboard. So I went with the ASRock FM2A75M. This motherboard looks freaking awesome. It's a micro ATX, so it's actually super small. That's what she said. It's super small and it's really good. The maximum is 32 gigs of RAM. And about RAM, we're gonna get one Corsair Vengeance 4 gigs. And, sorry, the thing went dark. It's gonna be 4 gigs, so it's not gonna run literally every game, but it's gonna run pretty much every game normally, no problem. It's DDR3, obviously, and it's 1600 megahertz, so it's pretty awesome too. And of course, we obviously need hard drive space, so why not a Hitachi 0J11561? It is 500 gigs, 5400 RPM internal hard drive. So yeah, it's not really that bad. You just say it obviously. The catch is 8 megabytes. The RPM, as I told you again, is 5400, and it's actually smaller than most hard drives. In fact, you can fit it in a laptop, no problem. So yeah, and since it's gonna be a gaming build, we're gonna get the new EVGA GeForce 750 Ti, not the normal 2750 version, but it's Ti. It's a pretty damn good graphics card for the price. It runs most games at like medium or high settings at 1080p at 60 FPS, and it costs $150. So why not? The memory size is 2 gigs of RAM. It's obviously gonna be GDR5, kinda obvious. The core clock is 1.1 gigahertz. It obviously comes with a fan. And this one, if you're gonna get it, this and the 750 Ti, since it's Maxwell, it can support G-Sync, which is the new V-Sync technology. Although you do need a display port, since actually most 750 Ti models don't have it. And the model I'm actually talking about right now, this one actually does have it. It has a DVI dual link port, display port, and HDMI. And the cool thing about it, it's only 60 watts, so you don't even need to connect it to the power supply. You can just plop it into the computer, and that's pretty much it. So you can just take a pre-built crappy $300 computer from 2006 and just plop in a 7050 Ti, and out of nowhere it's just an incredible gaming build. And we're also gonna get a Corsair $300 ATX mid tower case. This case looks very sweet and it looks pretty damn well. It's that's pretty much everything I gotta say about it. And with everything, we obviously need a power supply. And from the website, it says the estimated wattage is 204 watts. So it really doesn't take that much power. So one thing that will not come with the system is the optical drive, an OS, a sound card, a monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, or headphones, or headset, or case fans, which I think the Corsair does bring fans with it, so not gonna be a problem. So it doesn't come with these things, but what we're gonna get for a power supply is an Antec BP350. It's 350 watts, more than enough that we need. And one thing that I learned that my brother told me, which he's a person that pretty much is a master at computer building computers. Don't spend all your money on an incredible graphics card, incredible CPU, incredible RAM. Just buy a bunch of it if you have money. Spend a bunch of it on a good power supply because that's what actually powers up the whole system. And if a power supply dies, it it's dead. Your whole PC dies. Your motherboard, your CPU, your GPU, and I bet most of you do not want that to happen. So overall, this build is $480. This is a consumer build, like a standard person who's like a, let's say it's a kid who's like 13 years old and just casually plays Minecraft, maybe some Call of Duty. What? Then just does his work on Microsoft Word. Like all those kind of kids, or somebody who doesn't have enough money to buy a computer but also wants to get it built gaming. This is a great start, and this costs like $20 less. It's about 20. And the 750 Ti is much stronger than the S21's GPU. Same thing with the PS4. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. And thank you. I mean, you're welcome for having a new video because I haven't uploaded one here. So yeah, farewell.